What's going on? Gonna do this weekly outlook. I start on ES, and I go through all the tickers, start on the weekly, see if we see any like fair value gaps, any kind of weekly opening gaps, anything kind of like that. We're just coming off a rollover, all-time highs. See anything on the weekly. Noting we are all-time highs in an uptrend. If you want to note that over here or something. Um, If we see any gaps over here, we got one strong down here. We already filled it. We're just at all-time highs. Just a lot of the targets and stuff is gonna have to be that round levels, whole numbers. Ain't nothing really to work with up here. And what we got over here, just not seeing nothing right now. And then here, you could say we got this. I'd be the only one. Mark that off, but we're gonna see how it opens. Maybe do something like this for that 715. Maybe throwing rejection blocks. I mean, that one would overlap. Then you got one way down here. One thing is you put it right there. It's the hour, but yeah, you would have to kind of chance that to get tapped on that. Maybe target back up higher. Not to the original target. See what that do. Put it in Q. Q, same thing, big ripper. Up to the up. I'm gonna mark that. So we're going higher. Alright, so NQ does have a daily fair value gap. So this, I'm gonna mark using this. So you see the whole gap. Mark it to Friday. See that. And then this is kind of nice. Double overlapping. You do got that 4 hour fair value gap down here. Something really more so looking. Or so that would be the play. Get a target in there. Yeah, that's 900. If not, that this is probably that big number everybody wants. 25,000. See what we got on the hour. We got all these. We'll see what holds here. I'd ideally want to catch it a little lower. YM. YM, we're just chilling at all-time highs right there. And we're still in that uptrend. Ain't nothing on the weekly. Ain't nothing on the daily. We still mark the fact that we're making higher highs, higher lows. So the structure is going higher. I don't know where that arrow went. I mean, we do got this rejection block with fair value gap overlapping. Precision down. But we're just, is this a sweep at all-time highs to go higher? Is it not? Let's see right here. I mean, this is the only thing we'll see. We'll obviously keep updating the levels throughout the day. All the check-ins. I mean, we got that. I mean, this could obviously just rip to the big old number too. But I mean, that would be more like be looking at YM. Go to the weekly on gold. So gold has these big fair value gaps. We're at all-time highs. Big fair value gaps. It's like, are we gonna come back and retrace them? Who knows? Could mark that we are just going higher. I mean, you could say this is a level off the daily. Merge these two together. So That would kind of be anything lower. Might be looking for roll downs. Anything I'm seeing right here, I mean, you got this, we're just at all-time highs. They're really trying to short that. You got this fair value gap, but you're kind of in equilibrium with this range right here. It's like I really wouldn't want to get too active on this yet. I mean, you got this one down here, this one right here going to precision on at 4 hour. Is this going to hold? That's what we're really looking at. So really, I would say I want more data. More data. The big thing too is we just got to come around Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, see what's going to create the higher low of the week. We'll just swing it right here. Got oil. You can see it just going sideways. We're just ranging in oil. I mean, is the draw going to be down here? Let's mark this one, this so you see. I would say that could be a draw. See if we can kind of zoom in. Not really much right here. We have this to this, but all this liquidity right here. It's a previous month's low going into the weekly fair value gap. So yeah, be a lot more bearish. Yeah, I mean, I'd be a lot more bearish to be honest. Or just that down arrow. So see if we got any gaps or anything. Not really seeing much. We have this market with this, so I can see if this does invert and closes through. We're gonna see more downside movement. If not, are we just gonna see some upside from here? Go back up into here. That could be a play. Not really loving this yet because this is kind of a 50-50 zone. Either bounce here or go higher. Ideally, we want to see this close through. See something like we get it close through and just go for this fair value up either here or here. So that'd be something I would be watching, but we need it to actually close, come back up. But we just got all this. So if we're already down, we're already down. We almost want a little retracement to come back lower, but I mean, I don't know. Is this going to even play a role? I don't know. I don't really see much here. So we'll come back to this on Monday. Let's close it out. Right. So see, we're just massively going down on gas. Massive going down. We're going into the winter time. May kind of give us a little pump. You know, it's kind of when we do get the little pump. Yeah, is this gonna kind of hold as a level? I don't know, but it's kind of being a hero unless we really get it. I'm not really seeing any gas besides up here. If we have this massive retracement to go lower, that's on the weekly. And mark it down. Really trying to short this until it tells us otherwise. On the daily, we got this fair value gap. So let me turn these off just so you can see it right there. Easy. So looking at the retracement back, see if we got anything to overlap it. You got the rejection block, so see what we can overlap. So we got these two. Big one, to be honest. That's a really big one. Wanting to short from there. See if it holds on Tuesday. We can get a little more precision. Seeing this gap. So it's about the same as the daily fair value gap to midpoint. So we'd be looking at something like this. So let's talk about the candles for value gap right there. You can go more conservative and go up. It's right at the equilibrium, so we got that covered previous week. Obviously, we need the next week, so this was last week's. I mean, we can get that and we just target lows, you know, previous month low. That would be the play on gas. So I'm just kind of mark up blue, I'm in a trade, yellow, I got a limit, purple we're gonna be watching. Not in love with that, we're not watching that. Indexes really we can just watch. This I just want more data on this. This one's kind of a 50-50 wash. But we'll see what the weekly open is. And then we'll just keep doing updates on the Discord for the daily levels, any new fair value gaps, any levels getting ran. We'll keep updating them. All right.